So let's do the science first. Uranus was discovered by William Herschel, German, who ended up living in Slough in the UK. And the Earth's orbit spins like that, with north at the top, south at the bottom. Uranus spins in a different way. Its rotation is offset by about 90 degrees, 98 degrees, and so it spins like that as it goes around the sun. It's offset. It kind of rolls around the sun in an unusual way. The reason that I tell you that is because on the box for the mission to Uranus, it's got some interesting facts. It tells you that it's got a battered moon, I would have said heavily impacted, but it also says that Uranus spins on its vertical axis. Well, doesn't everything spin on its vertical axis? What I think they meant to say was that perhaps its rotation is offset by 90 degrees. Anyway, that's by the by. What we're doing now is looking at the mission to Uranus Swatch Omega watch. This was picked up from Geneva. Swatch in Geneva over the weekend. Has this nice kind of outer cardboard cover, and then this really nice kind of bifold opening. Underneath it's got the price, 250 Swiss francs. It's about 220 quid if you're buying it in the UK. Open it up, there's the receipt. Rue de Mont Blanc in Geneva. I'm not a huge fan of Geneva. Go and have a look at my other video if you want to see what I think about Geneva. And as I was saying, the staff in the shop were really keen to make sure that we were kosher buyers and we weren't resellers. They were doing all that they could. On the left-hand side, we've got the booklet, which takes you through the rest of the collection. But would be nice to own the rest of the collection, wouldn't it? The Neptune one's really nice. I quite like the Neptune one. Pluto one's not a bad-looking one either. Yeah, it'd be nice to own the rest of them. Whether I'd wear them, I don't know. Okay, and then we've got the guarantee. And then we've got the little instruction booklet, and then you've got the actual watch itself. And if you own an Amiga, this might look all quite familiar. Pulls up like that. There you go. Let me take the cover off. The controversial straps. Talk more about those in a second. Okay, Velcro pulls out and it unclasps off that. And then on the back, they've all got this kind of little signature thing on the back with an image of the celestial body that it talks about. I wouldn't say that that was particularly representative of Uranus, but no jokes. It's a nice colour, you know, it's a kind of summer watch, I would say that it is. Okay, so here are the straps. These are made from this quite thick plastic. A white strap, I would say, is going to get discoloured pretty quickly. And if it's a lady that's wearing this, and not that anybody does ever wear any fake tan, especially if you're in the UK, I'd be pretty worried about this kind of getting some discoloration. Of course, you could swap it out fairly easily for a different type of strap if you wanted. I think everybody kind of knows how to do that. Stopwatch mechanism. And I really like that bit, how it recenters. Yep. So that's the Uranus watch. Now, just as a bit of by the by, back in the day, I bought a Swatch watch. Let's see if anybody knows what this is. That was one of the early ones. Easy to lose that one. And just if you're interested, that's what I wear on a daily basis. And I have every intention of wearing that until the day that I die, at which point it'll still probably be telling the right time. Hope that you like it. Cheers to you.